right, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be an unboxing and first impressions look at this to-go portable power station. This is the Advance 650, 634 watt hours, and this is rated at 500 watts. Well, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. This is not going to be a deep dive into this. I'm going to save that for another video. This is just a first impressions and unboxing video. Let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we got in here. Oops, my camera a little bit. Owner's manual, Togo Power Advance 650 power station. Read before use, of course, always. Safety's first. Put this aside. And right off the bat, we've got wireless charging on the front. Not on the front. Wireless charging on the top. Get this bad boy out. Right there. Oh wait, let me see what else we got in here. We got something else in here before we actually get to the power station. I only have one hand because I'm holding my microphone here, so I got only one hand free. You've got your power brick. Not too bad. Got a connector, MC4 to a barrel connector right there. You've got your power cord that goes into your brick right here for wall charging. It's your wall charger. And sweet car charger. This is how you can charge it through your car. In your car, rather. Nothing else in there. I'm going to put this to the side over here. And now to the actual portable power station. Okay, now starting with the exterior of the to-go 650. Of course, you have 500 watts and you have 634 watt hours. The plastic build on this is an ABS plastic, and honestly, it feels pretty good. Feels pretty rugged and sturdy. And also this these black parts on the side here, a nice rubbery. It's a nice rubbery texture on the side here. Really nice. As far as weight, this weighs about 15 pounds. Not too bad. Not too bad. 15 pounds. I'll leave the size dimensions up on the screen. Okay, starting off with the front here, we have covers for your ports. That's a really nice thing that I like about this power station, this portable power station, are these covers. So a little splash of water or something can keep it'll keep like moisture, splashes of water out of here. I'm not saying that you should be out in the rain or anything like this with this thing at all. Not at all. Definitely not saying that. But this first cover, you're starting off with the first cover. You have your 12 volt 10 amp cigarette style port right here, 12 volt. Going to the next port. All of these, you have 3 type A USB ports and 1 USB PD USB type C port, and all of these are quick chargers. Remember, 3 USB type A's and 1 USB PD USB type C port. Cover back over there. You have 2 AC out ports, 125 volt, 15 amp, and you've got AC pure sine wave power coming out of these. You have your input 12 to 28 volt input right here, and this is how you're going to charge it. You'll be able to charge this unit with your wall charger brick, your the car charger cord that came with it, and solar panel. Really, really nice. Starting off with the screen right here. You have a backlit. This is a backlit screen. So if you press this button, and also these buttons, going back to these buttons, they have a little green light on them. Right there. So if I can zoom that in. DC. Yep, DC. See that green light? You can turn that on or off. That'll let you know if that port is on or off. Really nice. And that basically just turns. Remember, when you want to use any of these ports, just remember to turn them on, because if you don't turn them on, then they won't work. So I just turn that on, and of course there's 0 because there's nothing hooked up to this port right here. You have your AC port, and that'll show you your outputs up here. I'll get back to that screen. Remember, this is just an initial impressions video, so I'll get back to that screen once I've had time to play around with this thing for about maybe a week or two. I'll come back with another video, with a more in-depth video. This is just remember, this is just an initial impressions video. Okay, I've gone all over this. And your power button on the top here. Quick charge. Wireless charger right here, and this is fast charging right here. Going to the side of the unit, you have a light right here. This is an LED light, and also at the top, built into the handle, is a USB light. Just press that, and that comes on. And if you press it and hold it, it turns this little SOS style light on the side. Now to turn that light on, turn that off. Just press the button up here one time, and that light comes on here. So that light comes on. So you have 2 lights in this portable power unit. Really, really nice. So far, I mean, my initial impressions of this portable power station are great. Again, this is an initial impressions video. Oh, let me go to the bottom of this right here. I almost forgot. Bottom, you have some nice grippy feet at the bottom here. And there's just some warnings down here at the bottom. Do not short circuit, or, don't do anything stupid or dangerous with this portable power station. And on the rear of the unit, you do have some tech specs here, and also on the sides. This side, I believe there is a cooling fan in there to keep the components from roasting under a heavy load. But overall, I am very impressed with this unit. Just from the initial impressions of this unit, I'm going to charge it up. It comes out of the box at 50%, like most of these portable power stations do. I'm going to charge this up to full and use it out. I'm going to use it out in the real world. Take this plastic off of the screen. And once I play around with this unit for about a week or two, I'll come back with a more in-depth video on the Togo Togo Advanced 650, 500 watt and 634 watt hours. I will come back with a more in-depth video. So if with that being said, if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you've been back here before, hey, I thank you for watching my video. Until the next one, peace, take care, ciao.